Well, good day, YouTube, and welcome to another episode of the Albino Rhino food review. Today you have the Rhino, you have Aiden, we have
Mini Rhino.
These are $1.49 apparently. They're from Schmidt's. They're Turbo Flamos. Turbo's Flamos.
Mini Rhino.
Mini Rhino?
Yeah.
They kind of smell like the Fugo. The Barcel Taki Fugos. I like the shape of them. Oh, that's
Limey Takis.
that is like a Fugo, but instead of being a tortilla chip, it's like it's a corn chip. So it's like a twisted corn chip with lime and chili pepper. I like these. I like these quite a bit. I think the shape is fun.
Yeah, it's funny.
But it's like the flat Humpty Dumpty corn chips, just twisted. I like that. I'd give that a 7.5.
I'd give it about a 6. I'd give it about a 6 because it's a little too lemony. Yeah.
Oh no. It was best before June 15th and today is July 22nd. We're gonna die. No, we're gonna be perfectly fine. There's nothing wrong with that. Bye guys.
That just means it's stale.